friends, myself here Fatima studying in grade 8 Divyam. Today is 11th February, celebrated as International Day of Women and Girls in Science. It is observed to promote women participation in the fields of science, technology, engineering and mathematics. By following UNESCO call to action, closing the gender gap in science, we can advance women in the science. Today's girls have more higher goals to achieve. Today's women are more passionate than men. We can remove the barriers that prevent women from advancing in science. This one mainly describes equal opportunities gives us equal discoveries. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers, guests, and my dear friends. Myself, Lakshna Shriyal from grade 7. Today is February 11th, a day celebrated worldwide to recognize the incredible contributions of women and girls to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. When we think of scientists, we often picture a man in lab coat. But throughout history, women have made groundbreaking discoveries, from Marie Curie's work on radioactivities and Katherine Johnson calculating trajectories for NASA. So, to all the girls here, don't let anyone to tell you that engineering is too boring or physics is too hard. Pursue your curiosity. If you love discovering how things are worked, follow that passion. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Divi Tanusha. I am studying in 6th standard Divyam. Every year on February 11th, the world celebrates the International Day of Women and Girls in Science, a day dedicated to bringing studious and encouraging more females to lead in STEAM. Why is this important? Because for too long, science was considered a male-dominated field, yet women have also been key innovators and researchers. Today, we celebrate women like Marie Curie and modern innovators because when girls lead in science, they bring new perspectives that solve global problems from climate change to health. To the girls here, science is not just for boys in movies. It is about curiosity, asking why, and exploring the world around you. You have the power to be the next astronaut, gymnastic, or AI programmer. Let's break the barriers and trust our curiosity and know that girls can through in any scientific field. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello friends, my name is R. Sindhuja. I am studying in 6th standard Divyam. Today I am going to speak about the great woman scientist Marie Curie. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and only one to win in two different sciences, physics and chemistry. She discovered radium and polonium. Her work helped in the treatment of cancer. She proved that hard work and curiosity can change the world. Marie Curie is an inspiration to students, especially girls, to love science. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் டிடி தீக்ஷா. நான் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். நான் இப்போ சர்வதேச பெண்கள் ஆராய்வு பற்றி கூற போகிறேன். அறிவியல், தொழில்நுட்ப, பொறியியல் மற்றும் கணித ஸ்டெம் துறைகளில் பெண்களின் பங்களிப்பு வரலாற்று ரீதியாக சவால்களை எதிர்கொண்டாலும் உலகை மாற்றி அமைக்கும் மகத்தான சாதனைகளை அவர்கள் படைத்துள்ளனர். மேரி கியூரி, ரோஸ்லின் பிராங்க்லின் மற்றும் இந்தியாவின் கல்பனா சாவ்லா கதிர்கள் DNA அமைப்பு மற்றும் விண்வெளி ஆய்வுகள் முன்னோடிகளாக தாய்ப்பு 30%க்கும் அதிகமான பெண் ஆராய்ச்சியாளர்கள் இன்றைய பங்களிப்பு அளித்துள்ளனர். நன்றி.
Good morning to all. My name is Subhasti. I'm studying 5th Divyam. Now I'm going to talk about importance of women in science. Girls are super smart and curious. When they learn science, they can discover new things just like Marie Curie found new elements. Girls in science help us solve big problems like making new medicines. Every girl can be a great scientist, so let's cheer for all girls to study science. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is R. Subhashri from 4th Chimya. Today I speak about International Day of Women and Girls in Science. This day reminds us that girls can be great scientists. Women help the world with new ideas, inventions and discoveries. In India, we have famous women scientists like Kalpana Chawla and Tessie Thomas. They show us that with hard work, courage, girls can achieve anything. Science for everyone. Let us respect, support, encourage girls to learn science. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. Today I am happy to say about International Day of Women and Girls in Science. This special day celebrated to remind us that girls also can be a great scientist too. Women and girls help the world by discovering new things, by innovating machines and finding solutions to problems. Kalpana Chawla proved that hard work and confidence girls can be great scientists too. This day teaches that this this day teaches that everyone should get an equal chance to learn science. Whether they are boys or girls, then science become better than everyone take a part. Let us encourage girls to participate in all and achieve their dreams. Thank you and have a nice day. Good afternoon to respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is S. Catherine Jessica from 4th Divyam. The International Day of Women and Girls in Science. The International Day of Women and Girls in Science is observed on February 11 every year. The day highlights the contribution of women and in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It aims to encourage more girls to pursue careers in scientific fields. The celebration includes seminars, workshops, and campaigns to inspire young girls. The many organizations and schools hold science competition and mentorship on this day. The day promotes equal opportunities in education, research, and employment in science. Thank you. Good afternoon to all. The International Day of Women and Girls in Science is celebrated annually on February 11th. Its primary purpose is to promote full and equal access in science for women and girls. The day serves as a reminder of the critical role women play in science and technology and aims to address the persistent gender gap in worldwide. Thank you. Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am happy to speak about Tessie Thomas. She is a great Indian scientist and is called the Missile Woman of India. She loved science from childhood and studied very hard. She worked with DRDO and helped make Agnes missiles for our country. Her hard work made India strong and safe. Tessie Thomas' teacher is us to believe in ourselves and never give up. She showed that girls can also become great scientists. She impressed many students to learn science. Let us study well and follow our dreams like her. Thank you. Good morning to all. Today we are celebrating National Science Women's Day. Importance and role of women and girls in science. Women and girls are vital to scientific innovation, bringing diverse perspectives. Crucial for solving complex global challenges, diverse perspectives, women in science drive innovation by offering unique viewpoints, breaking barriers, challenging stereotypes, and in interesting representation in STEM. Global impact. Women are crucial for solving complex problems and supporting and sustainable goals. The gender gap, highlighting the need to increase the 35 percentage of women crucially in STEM finds. Thank you. International Day of Girls.